Hello guys, I am Salan Gaur. Welcome back on my YouTube channel Follow Tutorials. And today I am going to add extension on our Chrome browser. So first we have to do open a Chrome browser and we will go apps over here and we will go to so many apps like web stores, Gmail, YouTube, Slides, Docs, Google Drive, and Sheets. Today we will work for extension, so we will go on web store and then click on them. It will we take you another window just like this. On scroll down over here, so we will bring us at this page where it will just a number of extensions that are available to edit your Chrome browser. So that extensions are using for a specific reason like for custom cursors, zoom scheduler, Navigate, Google Translator, volume master, it increase for volume, Google Translate for translating, Grammarly for correcting your words and your meanings and sentence like extensions. And here are categorize. In the categorize you can use for developer tools extensions, fun extension, news and weather extensions, photos and productivity extensions. Such tools and a lot more even you can use here also. And the feature runs offline. The feature you can use filter also like run offline extension by Google extension, free extension available for Android extensions, work with drive extension. And we can check also as per rating for extensions like 5-star extensions, 4-star extension, and 3-star extensions, or 2-star extension. Which extensions are good you can check here also. So I will recommend you extension which one I very like it. That one is free extensions, but it works a kind of sites, video hosting, search engines, social networking, and email servicing, and much more. And you can search in that extension like YouTube, Facebook, Google, Gmail, Twitter, and encrypted connection also you can open there. A lot of video sites can be suffered enormously with full video streaming support. It will perfectly work alternative and to VPN. It is free of charge, no additional action on configuration required to protect your privacy. So what we will do, I will go here in the search bar and search proxy proxy, and then we will scroll down and we will go free web proxy free web and then enter. When we will enter it, then we will go to extensions same proxy like here 11 accessibility and here 219 accessibility, but 11 accessibility is same like this one also 4-star and this one 4-star. There is no more difference, same, both of them same. So I will prefer this one, first one, I will prefer that one, and I will go to click on them. And then now only just simple we are they are showing how to use it, and the overview also you can see here, overview, and read it and use it, how to use it, and we can check here reviews, support, and related news. So we will go add the Chrome, we will add it, and then I will click here add extension, and it's added already. The message is coming, proxy free web proxy has been added to your Chrome. Now I'm going to show you how we will use. Now I opened a new tab and then here extensions option. So I will click on them, and there this is the proxy web proxy which one we added now. So I will click here and then it will open like this and I will open like this. Now I can use which one I cannot use encrypted site, URL, websites we can open here now and on this browser. So I will again off it. That was a quick tutorial on how you can add a simple Chrome extension to your Chrome browser. So in case you want to remove a Chrome extension from your Chrome browser, you can simple come over here again extension and then we are seeing here three dotted. We will click on them and then remove from Chrome browser. So we will click on them, then again a bug will come. We can click on them and remove. We can report of them. So we can report and remove. Then finish. Now again we will check here. There is no extension. So like this we can remove also from our browser. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And thank you again so much. See you the next video. Thank you.